Turn off the power supply. AC, DC. DC.
Now DC.
Yes. Now, open this one. Then, also this one, open this one also. Okay. So, you remove this one.
Only one side.
You lose only.
Okay.
I think you lose only.
Okay, okay.
This one. Both side,
This
ah.
one loose, huh?
Ah. Ito yung pogi namin na Pakistani na electrician, no? Ito. Sabi ko ikaw magpalit para matuto ka. Mag troubleshoot ng ano, mga industrial automation. So, yung papalitan namin, ito yung pamalit namin na bago. Wait. Other one also. This one also.